Warning, this balloon might stink. Just kidding, let's make a funny balloon poop. Please recommend clown action!
Start by pumping up a 260 brown balloon. Leave a 12 cm tail at the end. First, start by making a pinch twist. Then make a 3 cm bubble, and then another pinch twist. Then another 3 cm bubble, and tie it back to the first pinch twist that you've just made. Then make a loop twist around it. And tie it back to the first pinch twist you've made. Then make a 2 cm bubble and then another pinch twist. Now make a smaller loop twist and tie it back to the pinch twist you've made. Now you've made 2 layers for the poop. Then make another 2 cm bubble and then a pinch twist. With the remaining bit, loop it through the 2 layers of poop you've just made. Now you've also made the top swirly bit of the poop. With the remaining bit at the end, you can pop it and tie a knot. Then, with the remaining bit you've just cut off, wrap it around a pinch twist to secure the ends. Then, tuck the pinch twist in the middle. Adjust your balloon to make sure it looks like a poop shape. Now the twisting part is done. Grab a white paint marker and draw in the highlights of the eye. Now also draw the teeth for the poop emoji. With a black marker, let's add in some details. Fill in the eyes, and also add the outline. Now give it a smile. Outline around the teeth. And add the mouth and the tongue. Now grab a red marker and color in the tongue as well. And now your poop emoji is all done. Now let's grab a 260 pink balloon to make the Drslump Poop version. Do the same thing and start off with a pinch twist. With a 3cm bubble, another pinch twist, then another 3cm bubble back to the first pinch twist. Make a big loop twist around what you've just made, tie it back to the pinch twist, and then another 2cm bubble and a pinch twist for the second layer, a smaller loop twist, wrap it back onto the pinch twist, and then a 2cm bubble. This time we're going to make it a different way and don't make another pinch twist at the top. We're going to thread the end through the 2 layers we've just made. With the remaining end, measure it so that it just passed through the 2 layers. And you can pop the rest of it and tie a knot. Tie the remaining bit onto a pinch twist and tuck the ends under the 2 loop twists. And now the twisting part is done. With a black marker, give it some eyebrows, the eyes, and then the mouth. Add some blush to it as well. Then with a white paint marker, color in the teeth. Add some highlights in the face. And with a red marker, shade in the mouth. With a pink marker, color in the tongue. The Drslump version. And now you're all done! And both of them are now complete.
Balloon poop and poop. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye bye.